Hello, bonjour, hi. Welcome to the stream. I'm Frank, and this is a safe place. This is a place where we learn. Today we continue to work on the 2D6 dungeon app. It's a whoops. Mouse, please follow the leader. I'm the leader. If I don't sound up. Uh GitHub. Sorry. I was like, hey, I should open GitHub to show the project that we're working on because it is an open source project. Though it is an early phase, so I'm not expecting anybody to contribute. Let's go on like this. So to the Dungeon 6 app, that's the game we worked on in the previous stream. We are working, we're working on the combat screen. So this is a dice and paper pen thing that usually you roll the dice, draw your map, and you dungeon crawler. So like encounter a little bit like a D&D, but like, and it's come from a book. If I do PDF, because we'll have a need of that book. Need this. Let's do the other one. This one. The rule books. So, whoop. No, not this. This thing. Voila! 2D6 Dungeon over there by Toby Lancaster. So it is a book that I bought. I asked Toby if I could do a game, and I like if you're a regular on the stream or like if you're watching on YouTube, I should maybe stream on both places. I need to find a way, make sure I get the messages from people on YouTube if I do that instead of just archiving there. Anyway, so it's been like we've been working on a lot on that, and I repeat that at the beginning each time just to make sure it's clear. I'm not like stealing the content. I talked with Toby, and we agreed that it was okay. I could make like a companion app, so you still need to buy the books to make it fun, play digitally, kind of halfway. Um, and we'll do that. And I was about to say what? So yeah, so you still need the books. I'm just doing that for having fun. We're working on the combat screen in the previous, so you can always find if you go behind my cloud. You can always find the previous stream. So last time we worked on the creature monster card. I'm using the same vocabulary as in the book. So creature card. We've been working a little bit on like putting some information, and then last stream, it looks simple, but like the title says, CSS is not my cup of tea. I had a really hard time putting it in a kind of a shape, and the goal was to have this look like the card. So we'll still need to have an image, but I won't work on that because like I would need to like scan all the images and stuff, and I'm assuming Toby have them, so I could ask him. Just maybe be easier this way. I think today we'll be adding those little dice, and I'm not sure if we go SVG or if we create just like tiny little JPEG. Probably PNG will be, since like it's just like pure black and white. I don't know. And then like we put them side by side. That's what I was planning to do today, adding this. Maybe we could add some colors, but at the same time, like that's a lot of UI things, and I'm not sure it's that important where we are. We can the combat. If I think I have this in the other book, maybe it is yeah, in the combat. Like we need this also to have the fatigue, so like has the fight progress, like you're getting tired and tired. So I want to put this kind of like in between, so we can work on that. It, you know, we could do this. Yeah, just like getting in shape, and after that we'll decide like how we really want to companion a fight in the game. So that's the plan of today. So feel free to ask questions. We're using C#. The app is Blazor for the moment. We have MySQL database, though that's not really important. It's running in a container that I need to start, by the way. And there's a data API builder on top of that that generates an API. So our web app is hitting that API that fetch the data from the database. That's the tech stack. So now let's just start 2D6. And yes, I'm running on Linux. Running Ubuntu. I learned the other day that new fetch is getting archived. Won't be supported anymore. I really like that little things to like quickly see what I have and stuff like that. It was kind of like, it was a surprise for me. If I Google face SVG, usually SVG is more like, oh, it's true. I'm in Blazor. Fluent UI Blazor. That's what I'm using. So maybe there's icons. Icons. Components. I'm using for the UI, I'm using Fluent UI Blazor. So maybe. No, I can't. If I say 1. That would have been so nice. Maybe I will need to dice. Would have been so cool. Is there emoji? Maybe there's an emoji for that. There is emoji library here, but I wonder if there's stuff. So if I do dice, no, that's ice. If I do 1, 1, I could do this. I feel though like it's sad. It should look like a dice, right? Like this. This is what I want. So what's fat? Is that free? Free for personal and customary with attribution. Oh, I think we'll create our own then. I mean, it shouldn't be that difficult to create those, right? But why I wanted to have them as VG? light to not have images. Oops. Okay. Can I make it? Okay. Can I make it a little bit rounded? I think will be better to use something like maybe GIMP. Yeah, let's leave. Or I could do that. I think we already we already have in images dice. We already have like the dice, the purple dice. So I could just like copy them and make it white. That could be easier, right? Open the container folder. Right, so we already have the dice. Yeah, let's do that. That will be simpler. Let's open GIMP. Dun, 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 dun. So first, can I copy a few of them at the same time? Copy, paste, voila. So now I rename, and it will be let's call it Tiny Dice 1. I think I will put a dash. Yes. Rename again. Not a space. I said a dash. Cool. And I should drop again. Tiny Dice 1. Excellent. So this will be Tiny Dice 6. Oh, I didn't copy paste with the yeah, with an easy to beat score of 8. That's at least better than anything. Better than nothing, I mean. That was 6, right? Yeah, cool. Tiny Dice 6, Tiny Dice 1. Yay! And Rosaurus is landing with a score of 19. Yay! And the unoriginal jerk landing with a score of 69. Let me get back quickly. I think someone maybe knock at the door. Or not. Maybe it was just the music. Okay, so we have this. Great. So let's rename that one 2. And it's 3. That one is 5. So we're missing 4. Well, I think we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Excellent. Cool. So now we can bring them all in. So now I should feel the dot. Ooh, that's not good. Fill similar color. Okay, let's move 50. That's better. Beep, beep. So now if I put that white, I need some kind of border. So if I use this, TBD Gamer is rating. Hello, friends.
Bonjour. Hi. How are you today?
Bonjour. Hi.
I got a new version for you. Did you hear it?
Bonjour. Hi. How are you today?
Bonjour. Hi.
Hello, everybody. I got.
Bonjour. Hi. How are you today?
Oh, did I? No. Yeah, I found that.
Bonjour. Hi.
Bonjour. Hi. Bonjour. Hi, everybody. Bonjour. Bonjour. Welcome to the stream. Don't worry. It's an English stream. I'm. As you can see, we're drawing dices. Docker shirt. Yeah, I'm rocking the Docker shirt. Database isn't a Docker container. Doing some .NET and playing with GIMP. But no, today we'll be we're working on the 2D6 dungeon app. It's been a few streams we're working on that, so still making progress. Last stream we kind of got a okay version of the creature card. So 2D6 dungeon app is a dungeon crawler. Or I'm just looking for my for this. Where is it? Boom. It's a book. It's a pen and paper dice book, kind of Dungeon and Dragon, or you dungeon crawler. So like you draw in your map, progress, fight, and things like that. It's a solo game. So I reached out to Toby and we're building a companion app. So not a digital version, but there's a lot of stuff that will be digital. So just for fun, having fun, doing stuff. How was your stream, TBD? And thank you for the raid. It's always very appreciated. By the way, I don't know if you knew, but on the when I publish stuff, I'm always saying that you raid. So that's last stream. And it's also on YouTube. So there's proof that you did it. Very, very appreciated you when you raid. Darker shirt. You were surprised, Temptic, that I have the Docker shirt. I don't know how TBD, what TBD told you about me. I'm just a dude trying to code, and sometimes it's not working as expected last stream. So now I want to turn those dice in black and white, but my problem is I need a border, because if I put it white, then, well, that's not good. And also I think we need to remove this. I should add alpha. And if I do this, it's not pretty. It's not very cute. Maybe if I boost the threshold, maybe it was 50. A little bit better. Maybe if I do a new layer. I don't know what to do. And rectangle with round corner. Let's try this. Right? That's not too bad. So if I do this, that's good. So now I could, oh, maybe if I do one here and here, and let's do this here, like that. So now I could fill it. Where is the bucket tool? Here, fill the old selection, just like that. And now I can shrink it. Select, shrink by 3 pixels, and voila, we have a border. Like, I'm faster with GIMP than than CSS people, right? What did you work on? I upload the file to Azure with a blob storage. Oh, that could be challenging sometime. What did you use for your security? Were you using Entra or still on the connection string? Oh, like there's token also you could use, right? So if I go back here, we could do this and voila. And even fill it. Fill it with white. Boom. Nope. It's not. We can keep the fill it with white at the end, maybe. Okay, so now let's move that layer everywhere. So copy, can I copy the layer? Let's try. Copy the layer. If I go to 2 now, let's zoom it a little bit. I paste it. Float from selection. I have no idea what you're talking about. You look like you have nothing here. Okay, let's go back to 1. One thing we can do is, I think it's visible to selection. Alpha to selection. Voila. Boom, we do this. And now we paste it as new layer. I'm using the key they provided. Yeah, I suggest storing in the key vault, but I didn't go that far. Cool. I'm still using keys. I just know that, you know, there's more secure way, and I should be using them. And I wish there was like a faster way, like a shortcut. Keyboard shortcut. It's not too bad once you know where to look. Let's make it bigger already. Edit. Paste as. New layer. Number 6. Zoom. Paste as. New layer. Boom. We'll have a little bit of cleanup to do. Okay. So 1 is mostly clean. Let's what I want to do. I want to do this. Fill with white. Edit. Fill with white. Oh, it's control. That's not great. Okay, I can merge down. Come on. What is it? There's a quick way to just merge down. You should merge down. Boom. So now it's all one. So I could do this. Say it was control comma. There it is. And now we can just like remove this little icon. Where's my pencil? If I hold it, pencil. Whoa, that's big. Nope. Size 1 pixel. Thanks. What should be black, right? That's a nice dice. What do you think? I think we have a nice dice. And you didn't have... Okay, well, still plenty of work to do, my friend. It's a never-ending job, right? Does this sound okay? I feel like I'm maybe loud today, or maybe not. I don't know. Can you hear me okay? Should I boost the... Is it this better? Sound is perfect? Okay, cool. So we have this. So now let's save it. Let's Control-Shift-E. If I want to keep the transparent, I need to change it for PNG. PNG. Export. Export. So now we have a little dice one. So now let's clean that one. We need to add the alpha channel. We need to remove this. Can I remove this? That's better. And remove this. Now I can fill it with control comma with white. Now we can remove those little dots, drawing with our. I need to move selection. Boom, 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 boom. Like there's a little bit of red here. That's not bad. That's one is weird. Can I just right click? I wish I could just. What's the shortcut to flip the selection? Anybody know? No, that's not good. Or maybe I need to do like. That's more like it. And we just like that, we have our tiny dice too. PNG. How was everybody's week? Here it was super hot this week. We were most of the week higher than 30 degrees. And even during the night, it didn't go under 20. So I was like really, really hot for here at least. So now let's attack the number 3. Okay, so add alpha channel. Let's take this, remove this thing, remove this thing, remove this thing. Let's fill it with white. Yeah, I thought we'll be doing this. Let's fill it with white. Voila. Now let's go back to selection. I want to remove that little. Who landed? Copper Bird. Congrats on the landing. Okay, so now let's take our little pen and black. Control A to remove everything. Who's using GIMP? I've been using it for ages because it's on all platforms, so it's just convenient. I start to understand why people are drawing on stream. It's very relaxing. The unoriginal jerk just landed with 97. Damn it. I have a score of 8 today. But I landed. PNG. We're making great progress today. Okay. Let's Control A. Let's add alpha channel. Now I click here, remove the stuff. Let's control comma. Boom. Great. Let's remove this thing. And now let's just fix. Oops. Control A. Oop, I'm drawing white. Nope. want to draw black. Eventually, we'll get back to some C# code. Shouldn't be that long to finish those dice, right? It's not the most perfect dice. If you are better drawing, you would like to contribute. Whoops, you're always welcome. Oops. That's good. Control-Shift-E or export PNG. Export. So I need to continue to try to drop because I cannot be left alone in. Okay, maybe I will. Okay, going up on the dice 5. Only 1, 2 more to go at alpha channel. The magic one. We pick this and we remove it and we click here and we do control comma. Whoops, wrong color. Control Z, flip the color. I wish there was. I know. Need to color. What's the stroke selection? It must be like if I exchange foreground for background. So many landed, but not me. Okay, I'm not losing time. What? Okay. Oh, I control comma. Boom. Great. And now we need to remove that little wingy burger. And now we take the pen and we fix those little control A. Of course, each time I forget and I'm drawing white again. Oops. Maybe I should keep those artifacts. As you know, maybe you eated spaghetti playing with your dice, digital dice. Now the sauce is stuck in your digital dice. I don't know. PNG. If you wonder, I'm saying it because it helps me to write the letter in the good orders. Order, no plural. Okay, so add alpha channel, magic one, the tour, delete, the inside, click here, control comma. I'm getting more efficient, right? Click here, delete. Let's do this. Select this. Voila. Now pen, flip to black. Zoom, control A, bing. And there it is. Control Shift E. And the last one, P, N, G. And it's even harder because in French, it's not a G, it's a J. So, is the real Shirley Dev is here? Or is it the digital friends? How do I know, Shirley, it's you? You didn't do your... I don't know. Is it you?
Bonjour. Hi.
Is it you? Okay, so if we go back in the folder, bing, bing, bing. Now we have way too many dice. Just assume Shirley is always here. Nah, he wasn't. I was alone for a little while. I think it's all his digital friends. Okay, if we sort by name, so I think we need to remove the JPEG. Those are JPEG though. Why did I put JPEG? I forgot. Anyway, so now we have white dice. What are the dimensions of those things? Probably images. That's tiny. 80 pixels. Okay, cool. So now, if we go back in our code in the creator card, it was. Let's do the mishap and the prime attack roll. See, he didn't reply, so I think Shirley Dev is not here today. Or not yet. Sometime he's late. And he will arrive midstream, say, hey, let's restart the stream. And I did it a few times. It screw up all my my recording because I have some automation and it just like stopped the recording and stuff like that and was like, uh-oh. Lost my backup. Now I need to download again after the stream from Twitch and stuff like that. So I'm not restarting the stream anymore. But I used to like play a bunch of stuff. Or maybe I don't have, since I all refresh all my things. Okay. So what I want to do now is those little dice in the that was stupid. Oh my god.
What I was doing is I used my finger to show you in my screen.
So yeah, so mostly those little I want to replace with the dice we just finished. And look at that, they are here. So here, instead of like having this, oh, now it's hard coded, so that would be easy. Can I just do this? It's not pretty. How did I do? Where do I roll the dice? How did I do it? Should have like a function. Dice. Oh, a component dice will be cool. And then you pass the number you want and the size. Definitely in the real application. I don't want to spend. Did I do that? Like you say, like 180, and it's like the number 180 pixel. That would be a nice component. Can we work? Should we work on that? I think we do. And we could say animated or not. So like it will just like if you need to. I think we do. I think we had a dice component. Yeah. It's not a page, it will be a shared. And it will be so adding a new. Oh, I should go, instead of being in the editor, going in the solution explorer. And in the share, open, and it's a razor component. The name of the file will be dice. Should I put, I think I need to do this, dice. Cool, so that will be an image, right? And EMG, oh my god. I think it's AMG is like just like this though. But I have a page where is it play? No, old index. That's all. Why keeping that? Probably because Benjamin fetch data. Maybe it's here. No, that's for reading the database. Database test counter. Yeah. Okay, so just like this. Let's do this. So I'm doing this. Voila. Oh, and I will need the color and the size. So we have parameter. What? Is it square brackets? Right, like what? I don't know how to code, people. Let's call it face. Is it no? What? Come on. Oh, capital P. Frank, come on. You know, touch those things. Oh, I need to do this. No, like it's not a page. Wait. Why can I not? Yeah, it's just parameter public. Maybe I just need to compile parameter. Like there's no typo, right? Face. Oh, because it's not a get set. Get set. Voila. So now we want the face. Like this. We want the color. And we want the size. And I think for the size, maybe we just do like small. Like a type. Small or regular. So we could say dice size. And even there, like color, we could say, hey, it's a dice color. Size. I don't know why I type everything when I just need to capital the first thing. So face, dice color, this, cool. So now we need to make an enum. Do I want that here? I think I want that here. So we could just say public enum. This. Voila. And it's red, purple, and white. And that's it. Now we copy paste this. And we say the dice size. And it's regular and tiny. And that's it. And we Okay. So before it was dice and purple dice. Right? Maybe I should have like a better... Oh, it worked. So all dice should have the color. Should I do that? Like purple dice, tiny white dice, regular. I feel like the name will be super long. Though it will be easier to code. Maybe I do that. Maybe I rename regular red. Regular purple, tiny white. And then that will be easy to do. Yeah. So it's the size, the color, so white dice 1. Okay. I still have the folder open. I can close this. Discard all the changes. I'm wondering, will it be easier to do it in the interface here? I think I will do that. F2. So I want this. Okay. 2. Then it's this. It's F2. Wish I was on Windows with the batch renaming tool. Rename. Whoops. There it is. Rename. Cool. So here we just need to add regular. Regular dash. Regular dash. Huh? Being a programmer is also that, right? Who's with me on that? Like renaming. Just copy pasting stuff. Are you still around, TBD? Did you start using Spire? So here we need to add regular and red. So it will be this and then red dash. So all of that. Boom. Rename. 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 I think it's a good move that we create a component for that, honestly. Whoops. What did I do? What did I do? There it is. Cool. So it's the color dash. No, it's the size dash the color. Okay, cool. So we want set the size, so it's dice size. So it's size. So maybe it should be lower cases, right? Oh, they are properties. I never know. I know it's silly, but I'm never sure of what should I use. Okay, so it's this, then size, color, and then it was dice, and the face go here. And it's not G. Oh, now I have sometime JPEG, sometime PNGs. Oh no. I'm not sure why. There was a reason why I kept JPEG. Maybe they were smaller. Maybe it look better. Damn it. Do I have the tool? I forgot what it's called. It looked like a dog that someone roll on it. I want to see my apps. What? Oh. Oh, there it is. I don't think I have it. Ah, it will be long to open them one by one. There he is. I have you on screen, but I can't listen due to work pressure. Whoop. Ah, that's why. Sorry, I'm having some... What is this? Okay. Wow, that's loud. Hello, 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 hello. That's better. Okay. I think we'll have to convert them all manually. That's a pain. That's a pain. Well, let's do this so we move to something else. So let's do all the red. Boom. Cool. This P G do that. Keep this in my buffer. Cool. Bing. Next, please. Export. Export. Bing. Bing, bada boing, bada boing. Multipass. No. Export. Export. Next. Export. 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 Yeah. Multipass. I love that movie. It's a cool movie. Well, I'm a fan of Bruce Willis. Cool. Excellent. I will keep the JPEG there just because I'm not sure why I kept them at the first place. TBD, did you try Aspire so far? Okay, so let's now remove all those. No, not sure where to even start. Next week there will be on the YouTube channel a lot of lives. Though like James Montemagno, let me bring like a browser. James Montemagno and Jeffrey Fritz did a few kind of like 1 hour how to get started with how to get started with Aspire. But next week there will be one in English, so it will be on the 27th if you want. I'm doing the one in French, but I doubt you're interested in that one. But yeah, like so, like it's the kind of a tutorial, very simple to do. Like we have a GitHub repo and like it will be explanation and how to get started and things like that to develop locally. It's amazing. You're just like, if you have like a front end and a back end and everything, you just start everything, connect everything. You don't need to like, oh yeah, like I changed computer, now the port have changed or something like that. It just know the connection string and things like that. When you want to deploy in Azure, it really simplify things. If you are interested to use AZD, if you want to use something else, you can. It will generate biceps file for you. Then you can add like a database in a container and Redis cache in a container and a bunch of stuff, just like boom, boom, boom. Just say, yep, I want this. And it will just add it and it just work. It's really cool. The more I use it, the more I want to use it. There's one project that I'm working on for me. We work on that on the stream long time ago. It's my reading notes application. So if you don't know, people, like on every Monday I share my reading notes. I like to read, but not on screen, on my like e-reader kind of Kindle and stuff like that. I've been reading on Kindle. Now I'm moving from Kindle to another device. So they're like, I need to adapt. So I'm building like a web page and I flipped it just like that using Spire. Just like, yeah, I had this and it worked. The URL shortener, I'm thinking about doing it also in Aspire, so like it will be deploying different things. Like it's really cool for development purposes. It's just so easy. And for me initially it was, well, like I'm coding a lot on Linux. And it was a lot when it was like the preview version, because it was just announced kind of GA a month ago, maybe. But initially it was just in the full Visual Studio IDE. And because I'm on Linux, I don't have that tool. So for every project that I was working on Windows, it was great. I could play with it, but now you could do it. It's super simple. You could also do it in VS Code if you're a VS Code developer. I like both, but like on Linux, I don't have the big Visual Studio IDE, so that's why. And you could use it also with other services. It worked just perfectly also with JavaScript stuff. Even just like there's a dashboard that helps you to have trace, get all the open, I forgot what it's called, open telemetry, forgot the name. So you could trace across different services. There's a dashboard, they call it the Aspire dashboard. You could even have that alone locally or in Azure in a container if you want. It's pretty awesome. Oh no, there's more documentation than that. Well, give it a shot, and you will see, depending on your architecture. But for microservices, it's awesome. Or like little pieces that you want to add. Okay, so we have. So now we need to do. Okay, so yeah, now we need to do the purple. So we are on 6, Control Shift E. Double click. Noops. Noops. That's not what I want. PNG. Double click. Control C. Export. Export. Voila. Here. Voila. Double click. Bing. Export.
Oh, hi.
Hey, Shirley Dev. Surly Dev, are you hearing me now?
Bonjour. Hi.
It's low, though. I should boost the volume. I can hear for a second, yes. And I have the other one too.
Bonjour. Hi. How are you today?
I'm fine, and I hope you're fine too, my friend. Very happy to. So the other day we were having fun, and I said, you should send me your voice, and he did it like on the spot. So there it is. Eventually, I will have it so people could do it in a command like "Sir, bonjour" or something like that, and yeah, that'll be cool. I forgot if I did that one. Let's redo it. Export. Export. Cool. This one. Bing. Like, I'm not saying like you should, TBD, to be honest. Like, if you don't want, like don't use Aspire. Just telling you, when I was like that, I was like, I'm not sure it will be good for me. I'm not that great with containers, though. I love containers, but most of the time I use like 1 containers or 2 containers together, and I was kind of worried of having multiple because I didn't do any Kubernetes or Swarm, whatever, like the other orchestrator. So I was like, I'm not sure I want to go there and like fight that fight instead of like making progress on my app. But it just worked. It was amazing. Okay, so I think we have all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Excellent. Cool. Don't cancel this. So we're going here. Now we changed that for PNG. So now we have the size, the color, and the dice. Yeah, it's working. Okay. So now color, like we don't want like 0. We want, I forgot how to do that. I want like the value. How you do that again? Is it the square bracket? Oh, I forgot what it is. Red dice. Is it public enum string? I forgot. Like, you know, I want red. And same for here. Like, I don't want 0. I want. Oh, I think if I do, can I do like? Can I say regular? Yeah, just change it. Can I just do this? No. Probably string in them. I forgot. Like, there's a way. Anybody? Cannot implicitly convert a string into an int. Maybe I don't need, like, maybe I shouldn't be using an enum then. I know, like, and like the last C shard, they changed something. Ugh. I could create a class and all that. Oh. Yeah. Maybe I felt there was like something clean now. Oh, enum get name. Well, nah. Oh, what's the? Maybe here that's new. How to get the enum member as a string. Yeah. Oh yeah, you. Country. So enum get name method. Also just to string. So just like that. Oh no. So okay, I do this, so it should be regular, like lower and tiny lower, and red lowercase, lower p, lower w. Oh, did I put white? Yes. So here will be size to string. color to stream and face. Sounds about good. We didn't do the size though. We didn't do the size, but let's give it a try. So create your card. So we need to do dice. Oh, that would be very long though, right? I need to do dice. Then or dice. Okay. Dice. Right. And now, sorry for that. We need, oh no, we need the dice that, no, dice color. Why can I? Oh, dice color dot white. It's a bit long. I could say using dice. Will that work? Let's keep it this way. Okay, so dice color white. After that, we need the dice size. It was dice dot no, not there. Oh no, yeah. So now I want the what? I want the color. No, I did the color, so now I need the size. There it is, size equal, and now I want this thing there, right? It's not tiny, but it is. I'll pick color again. Size dot tiny. It's a big verbose though. And the last one is face. And we need one. We need 2 times this. So I feel like we need this. And for the here, we'll do the same thing. Voila. So instead we want 6. Oops. Cool. I need to go out. Oh my god. What did I do? Papaya. I kind of like pull on my cable. All good, all good. No worry. Okay, so let's give it a try. Oh, we'll probably... Yeah, let's give it a try. I think we might have a problem because the other dice are looking for... Oh no, I didn't. I kept them, so should still work. No, we had names and stuff. Anyway, let's see. Oh, and I'm sorry, I'm still in this view. I should be in my little corner. Do we have an adventure? No, we don't. Let's create one. Oh no, we have one. Excellent. Combat screen. Let's go with a guard. Nice, it's working. Look at that. So we need to make them tiny though. Like our tiny is not that tiny. Oh no, it's... That's so loud. Oh my god. So we need to make them like very tiny. First, like, how often that happen where you just try it and, you know, oh, those works. What? I thought I deleted them. Looks like I didn't. Okay, that's cool. So we need tiny, more tiny than that. Ah, my nose is complaining today. So let's go again. So that was 80. Like, is it 80? That feels huge. What was it? I thought it was select an element. Yeah, 80. So that's 80 pixel. So we need to like be very tiny. And maybe it will become very blur. Okay. Should we? Oh, maybe. So I did. So right now, like I created the images thinking about how we'll create small images and bigger images, but I don't care. Like if they look cool, I could just do it manually, and tiny here will just change the size. Let's try out temporarily. Let's add some style here. And we'll say height will be I forgot how to read all those things. Like is it cap for... So if I put like 10 cap, what does that mean? Let's search for it. So CSS, and we're back in CSS again. CSS Hell for Frank every Friday. Come and join for an awesome stream. Let's go with... I was hoping to see like the cap and all those things. Was it cap? Yeah, cap, and there was other choices. Right? A E or some IE, whatever. A unit. Absolute unit are like, okay. Found relative, EM. Oh, that's what I was thinking, EM. So 10 EM is like if I was in found 10, right? And I will mute myself. And get back. Okay, load the adventure with Frank. Combat screen, guard. It's not supposed to be, it's bigger. Is it supposed to be smaller? Oh, so one. Oh, one character. That's cool. Now, how do I... Damn it. Oh, I couldn't. Okay. So, okay. So, if we go back here... Like, we should remove the size from the name. So, again, we'll rename all those things. Oh, we could keep it there. But here, so tiny, we could say tiny equal 1 and regular equal, I don't know, 5. And here we could say the size. Like, I mean, we should totally remove the name, but just for now, to avoid renaming all those stuff. Why did this? Why you're not working? It's supposed to be tiny. Oh. One. What? So here I need to fight to put it to string, but here... I don't get it. What? Why don't get one? I should get one. I forgot to save. I don't get it. And can I use just this instead? No, it doesn't know when it's stopped. I don't get it. Like it should be just like this, and it should value the whatever value. And we should remove this here. I don't get it. Okay, that's a 5 again. So we're having an error. I should have read the error message. What is what? The browser was already running. Forgot to close it before. Okay, load adventure. Why it's big? Why? Get it. Let's remove this for now. Okay. So here, or remove this. Oh, did I do it correctly? Rename. Okay, so like dice one. I don't get it. Oh, why? I want the value. I need to do this. Feel wrong. Equal true. What the hell is that? The delegate type could be not inter. Oh, yeah, no, that's not. I don't get it. What am I doing wrong? Tiny 6. Let's rename that one too. It should be the value, right? Yeah, that's, let's say I want 200. By default, the session constant R0 base. Yeah. Oh, I need to do like this. What's US? U short. I need to do like int. Why my nose is running? Load adventure. I don't get it why we need to do that now. It's not working. It's still tiny. What? So in season, spring, summer, autumn, winter. And now here it says season this be output summer. And season 4 output 4. What? I need to specify this. feel weird. Like, why would I do that? Why do I need? Like, I'm using it. Whatever. If that make it works. Load an adventure. This one, come back stream, card. And there we have it. Tiny little dice. Yay! There's a spaces in between, though. But I mean, it's fine. I don't mind, but it could be closer. Probably some image padding, so I should. Right, so that worked. So now we have boxing border. That didn't change a thing. Maybe I shouldn't play too much with. Can I make it smaller? So display block. Nope. There's shadow. Interesting. Padding. Nope. That's the host. Whatever. I think it's cool anyway. Like it's 14 by 14 and there's no padding, no border. So what is it? There's definitely something. It's fine. Frank, you don't want to spend too much time in CSS. You're right, Frank. Let's do this. So, cool. So in creature cards, we now have dices here. Maybe because I did the carriage return. Oh, maybe there's a space. No. No. Cool. So now we could change where we use it somewhere else to use this instead. And also, we had places right in maneuver, for example, or interrupt. Maneuver will be easier, I think. We need the little dice, so we need the maneuver parser. So here, how do I do that? I think we want a function here, private. What do we want? It'll be string, string, and dice. let's point for now. I don't remember, and it will be maneuver parser. There's interrupt. Let's call it maneuver parser, and we take an input a string. That will be the raw maneuver. Let's raw info. Shorter, like it better. Cool. So yes, let's call it parts split by, and it was a pipe. And then should I have like a little class, or how can we stack? Is there a way to stack information of different types? Like I don't know, like int, string. Is it a collection or a, you know, generic type? Let's say as I do when I do an object, and it will be hint string. How do you stack? Like, see, like here it's a, like I need to create an object, right? Of this. Forgot how to do it. How can you declare a variable? And it's just a new of that. Can I do that? Let's say var. I need to do it like an object, maybe? Maybe I just need to create a little class. Let's make it private. Class. We'll call that minute. I feel it's wrong. Oh, and then oh yeah, it should definitely be in my stuff. So like you're initializing it. The parser will fill the properties. Yeah. But I think, yeah, I think we'll have to do that in the next stream. I thought we could like on the fly create an object with multiple stuff. But yeah, next stream we'll work on the parser. At least now we have those tiny little dice. The bigger one are still working. We need to instead replace and use the new component. Yeah, that's cool. So let's add that here. All the dice. Oh, we should rename all of them. Right? Remove the size. Oh, it's just a pain. We took so much time adding them, and now we're removing them. I should open that folder on Windows and just like, is there a tool like that on Linux where like it's batch rename? I'm sure there is. It cannot be. I mean, it will take me longer to find the tool to do it, but for the next time, I need one of those tools install. Mostly done, mostly done. Still a few, huh? Oops. Still need to be vigilant. Did the same error twice in a row. Oh, that's still to do. Why so many dice? I think that's why I was thinking RGB, and not RGB, but SVG, as I could have changed the color on the spot. And it will be text. So I could say, hey, I want green one or blue one, whatever. Like instead of having, oh, I'm renaming all the JPEG too. I don't need those. That's why it's taking me so long. Oh, well, I will do only one left. I should have removed them. We'll keep them for now, just so everything works. Cool. Yay. So we have this, yes. The dice class, yes. All those new thing, yes. Component. What? Component. Add the dice component. Pushing. And that's at a combat screen. Cool. So let's go here. Let's try to land one last time. And nope. So with that, my friends, I think that will be it for today. I will wish you a good weekend. Go out if it's nice weather. Here they announced thunderstorm. The forecast is thunderstorm and everything. So I probably won't go outside, but I wish you fun. Since we're only a few of us stay here, I know it was like a quiet stream today without being trolled by Mr. Dev, but you know, thank you for staying with me all along. I think we did great today, adding those tiny dice. Next stream will be more code, more component and stuff. I think it will be a little bit more interesting for developer side of you. But yeah, see you next Friday. Bye. Thanks, TBD. Same to you.